Got his foot on mine over here.
Now we have to go back more often than one time a year.
Exactly.
You can push him here.
You got the step. Way to go.
Very good, sweetie.
I teach you how to make the water go that way.
Put a little pocket
but this
in
is
front
more
here.
fun this way.
Yeah, so he can play. Want to go for a ride? Whoa.
Here we go. All aboard.